What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding finding the derivative of natural logarithms. First function we have here is ln of x. F prime is going to be 1 of x. And if f of x is ln u, f prime x is going to be u prime. So based on these two examples, we can continue solving other examples. For example, f of x equals to ln of 3x. Then we can say the derivative of f of x, or f prime x, equals to the derivative of 3x, which is 3, divided by 3x. So when you simplify it, it's going to be just 1 over x. Next one. F of x equals to ln x minus 1. F prime x is going to be the derivative of x minus 1, which is 1 over x minus 1. Next one is f of x equals to ln x squared, which you can write it as 2 ln x. Derivative will be 2 1 over x, or 2 over x. Next example, ln of x to the power of 4. What is the f prime? We can say ln of x to the power of 4, we can write it as 4 times ln x to the power of 3 times 1 over x. That's the chain rule. For example, when you have f of x equals to u to the power of n, f prime is going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. We have exactly the same. When we have ln x to the power of 4, it's going to be 4 times ln x to the power of 4 minus 1, which is 3, times the derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x. Next one. F of x equals to x squared ln x. Here we need to use product rule. Product rule is u prime v plus u v prime. Derivative of x squared is 2x ln x plus x squared derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x. That's going to be 2x ln x plus x squared over x, which is going to be just x. We can also simplify it for factor x. That's going to be 2 ln x plus 1. Next example is y equals to ln x plus 1 to the power of 2. Again, here we are dealing with chain rule. U to the power of n. Derivative will be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. We have exactly the same thing. 2 times ln x plus 1 to the power of 1, which we don't write it, times the derivative of ln x plus 1. So it's going to be 1 over x plus 1. That's y. Next is y equals to ln square root of x squared minus 4, which will be equal to ln x squared minus 4 to the power of 1 half, and it's going to be equal to 1 half times ln x squared minus 4. So when you find the derivative, it's going to be 1 over 2 times, in the numerator we have the derivative of x squared minus 4, which is 2x, divided by x squared minus 4. 2 and 2 cancels out, it's going to be x over x squared minus 4. Next example. Y equals to ln x times square root of x squared minus 1. You can separate them as ln x plus ln square root of x squared minus 1, or you can say ln x plus ln x squared minus 1 to the power of 1/2, because square root is going to be to the power of 1/2, and then in log functions 1/2 can in front and act as a coefficient. Now I'm gonna have the derivative of ln x is 1/x plus 1/2 times derivative of x squared minus 1 is 2x over x squared minus 1. It's going to be the derivative of this function. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.